American Airlines has some great award redemptions from their super cheap web specials with domestic flights and their luxury redemptions with Qatar Q Suites and Japan Airlines. Today we're going to talk about how to earn more miles. We're talking 12 different ways. Make sure to stick around to the final way. It's my favorite and how I earned over 48,000 points, and I show you exactly how I use it so you can replicate those results. Method number 1 is Simply Miles. I like Simply Miles because you're able to stack it with all the other earning methods and it doesn't mess up anything. So you simply log in and set up an account. You use your American Airlines information and it's at simplymiles.com, and you hook up your MasterCards. That's the key to this. It has to be a MasterCard. 3 of my favorite MasterCards that I use is the IHG card, the Freedom Flex with Chase, and I have an American Airlines card through Citi. It's a business card. And so once you link all those cards up, you're able to go to the Simply Miles portal, link all the different offers they have, and so it's a lot of retail options. There's some Petco and then a lot of department stores like different shoes and fashion options. And so I typically recommend that you look at it once a month to activate all the offers or before any big shopping trips. And I'll have links to all these websites that we discussed and all the different offers within the description below, so make sure to check those out. Reason number 2 is by linking your hotel accounts. If you have status with both Hyatt and American Airlines, you're able to link those two accounts together, and for every dollar you spend at Hyatt, you'll earn American Airline miles as well. However, if you don't have status with both of these programs, you can still link your account, but you'll only be able to earn Hyatt points on American Airlines spend, but not the other way around. Also, you can change your settings with Marriott. On your Marriott account, you can toggle it to where you'll earn American Airlines miles instead of Marriott points. And so you'll earn 1 to 2 American Airline miles per dollar spent at a Marriott property. It depends. If it's a higher end Marriott property, you'll earn 2 points per dollar. If it's a regular lower end property, it'll be 1 point per dollar. Method number 3 is you can earn American Airlines miles on your flight with Alaska Airlines. You simply, whenever you purchase the flight, you put in your American Airlines ID instead of your Alaskan Rewards ID. And so you can actually do this with any one world carrier, including Qantas, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, and any of those. You just simply put in your American Airlines ID and you'll earn American Airline miles instead of the other award programs points. And method number 4 is with Shell's Fuel Rewards program. You'll earn 3 points per gallon that you buy at Shell gas stations once you create an account and toggle it to where you'll earn American miles instead of cents off gallon. Please note that it is points per gallon and not per dollar, because I thought I was getting gypped for a really long time when in fact I just couldn't read. And so once you get to the gas station and set up your account, you'll put in your alt ID, and that alt ID is just your phone number at the pump, and then you'll earn your miles whenever you fill up. Reason number 5 is you can earn miles by switching your utility provider to NRG, Reliant, or Xoom with an X. And so they offer electricity and natural gas, and so if it's available in your area, you can switch to one of those providers and earn anywhere from a 10 to 15,000 sign up bonus whenever you switch. And you can earn 2 miles per dollar. Kind of depends on if you're getting electricity or gas and where you're at, etc. It's only in certain locations, so check it out. Make sure to comparison shop to make sure that the miles are worth it as well. This is as good a time as any to go ahead and evaluate. If you've liked this video so far, go ahead and let me know by hitting the like button down below. That'll also let YouTube know to show it to more of our friends here. And if you've enjoyed my banter here, go ahead and consider hitting subscribe so that way we can learn together how to earn and use our miles. This is Nurse Michael Travels, by the way. Here's some more. Now, reason number 6 is you can earn miles with Bask Bank. So with Bask Bank, you're able to create a savings account and put in your savings balance. And instead of earning interest in cash, you'll earn interest in American Airlines miles. Now that's pretty cool. You can earn a pretty decent sum of points. Now it does go against my personal finance background or trained brain, so I like the idea of earning interest on my interest versus just points, but it's out there for you, and you can earn a pretty nice crap ton of points if you have a crap ton of money to put in that account. Number 7 is the Dining Portal. This is one of my favorites because it's an easy set and forget method. You simply make an account, hook up all your different credit cards, and whenever you go to one of the restaurants in that program, you'll earn easy American Airline miles, usually like 3 miles per dollar. This is in addition to any multipliers you have with the credit card that you use at that restaurant. And they accept Visas and all MasterCards, all kinds of different credit cards. So it doesn't just have to be an American Airlines card. And it's a nice surprise if you're out of town and not really paying attention and you get some extra miles while you're traveling, so that's pretty cool. Method number 8 for earning miles is by booking all your travel through American Airlines. You can book rental cars, hotels, cruises, you name it, all through American Airlines website and earn a whopping 5 points per dollar. And now before you do so, I always recommend that you comparison shop, make sure that you are not wasting a lot of money just for the sake of points. So do that, but that is an option as well. Now we talked about 3 different ways to earn American miles with hotels. Number 9 is yet another. I'm talking rocketmiles.com. With rocketmiles.com, it's essentially another travel portal for hotels, but you can earn American Airline miles. It's worth noting with Rocket Miles, you can switch between all kinds of different reward programs. And so you can earn different points for your hotel stays. And this is particularly handy when talking about the Southwest Companion Pass, but that's a different story. Reason number 10 is you can transfer your points from transfer partners. Now there's 2 main ones here, Bilt and Marriott. And there's really only one worth talking about. Marriott sucks because it takes 3 Marriott points to transfer to 1 American Airlines miles. And so you could probably use it to top off to meet a redemption number that you need for American Airlines redemption, but I wouldn't really consider it otherwise. But Bilt now is a rewards program. They're known for earning miles by paying for rents and without any fees, etc. They have a solid credit card with solid multipliers, and it's the one flexible currency that transfer to American Airlines. Now do note, if you do transfer miles, you don't earn any loyalty points towards status, but it's a nice card with some nice multipliers to earn American Airlines miles a lot faster than a lot of the co-branded cards. Speaking of co-branded cards, there are currently 5 credit cards available between Citi and Barclays to earn American Airlines miles with. The nice thing about it is that you can earn the sign-up bonus on all of these cards, and honestly that's where the value's at, is with the sign-up bonus, because the earning rates on all these cards are relatively weak when compared to some of the more flexible currency cards such as like Chase and American Express. They do have personal and business options, and this is a way to earn points with your regular spend if that's something that you're looking for. Now finally, reason number 12, the shopping portal. My personal favorite. American Airlines has a shopping portal where you can earn multiple points per dollar on all your regular online spend. You can also earn lump sums of points with various deals. Let me show you real quick what it looks like, how to navigate it, and some of my favorite deals that you can look into. So here's the shopping portal for American Airlines. You get to it just by Googling it and then logging in with your regular American Airlines information. And so this is what it looks like. First off, I want you to go ahead and download that browser extension that they offer. It's very useful, so whenever you're shopping online and you're not thinking about anything, it'll pop up and alert you if you are on a website that offers American Airline miles, and so that way you can just activate it there and don't miss out on any of that. So make sure to do that. Otherwise, you have to go through the website here, and there are a bunch of different offers that you can look into, different stores, and so it is good to check out from time to time to make sure you're not missing out on anything. So I'm going to highlight some of my favorite offers right now. One of them is with food. So there's a lot of food meal prep or meal delivery services. So Blue Apron's got a highlighted offer right now for 5,500 miles. I've used Factor Meals in the past. I think that's offering 2,000 miles. And so they're typically expensive long term, but if you do it for that first initial 1 or 2 month deals that they give out, and then pause the subscriptions until your miles hit, and then you can cancel it from there, that will give you a lot of good miles for relatively cheap. And make sure to look at your credit card offers. Like with Chase offers, you could potentially get an additional discount on top of whatever promo code they have for you. Additionally, I like to look at wine subscriptions. I drink wine, and you can get a pretty good price, like $70 for 12 wines. That's less than $10 for wine. With Laithwaite's, again, pause and then cancel once the miles hit. And finally, with coffee too, there's this coffee subscription I found. Again, did it for a month or 2, cancel, got the points, you get the gist. And finally, gift cards. From time to time, it's not active now, but there will be a promotion where they'll basically give you a discount on any gift card, and you can buy a Visa gift card and essentially have the fees knocked off. And so you can buy Visa gift cards where you can use online anywhere. You could pay for it with your credit card and earn whatever credit card points with that, and earn American Airline miles through the shopping portal. Sometimes they offer 1 or 2 miles per dollar sometimes. And so that would be a great deal if you can take advantage of that when it's active. And lastly, they do have promotional bonuses from time to time. You spend $400, $1,000 over X amount of time and you can earn 1,000, 2,000 points on top of whatever spend that you do. So this is especially handy during back to school shopping, holiday shopping, etc. So don't sleep on the shopping portal. Oh, and here's the proof in the pudding here. I've gotten 48,800 American Airline miles from the shopping portal alone, and that's because I divvy up all my shopping between this portal, and I often use the Chase shopping portal and sometimes Rakuten as well to earn some Amex points. Now, if you don't have any American Airlines miles now, you now have 12 ways to look into, but if you do have a crap ton of other flexible currencies like Chase points, American Express, check out this video on how you can book an American Airlines flight today.